Hey, I am Laila. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the second part of my video, the camping gears and the kitchen gears that I will bring for our overnight beach camping trip. So these are the camping gears that I will bring for this trip. So first on the list, camping gear, you need to have your tent. Okay, so I'll bring two. Then you have the sleeping bag, and then if you want to go extra, so I have also my air mattress, and you can plug it in. So if there's a power supply at the resort or the beach, so you could use this. Otherwise, just the sleeping bag. Then for cooking gear, so first is of course water jug with water, and then portable butane gas stove. However, the gas stove are with my gas. We have two gas stoves, portable gas stoves. They are with my friend, but I have here the canister, butane gas canisters. Okay, so I'll be bringing three. Then you also need ice cooler for food storage and ice storage. Okay, then you have your cooking gear, so which I will put inside this bag. So this is from Kohl's, which I bought in Melbourne. Okay, so for cooking utensils, so I'll bring the pot, pan, and kettle. Then for the tools, so I have it inside this bag. So it has a knife, scissor, pair of scissors, can opener, chopping board, and also a pot holder. Okay. Then you have your dinnerware, so plates, glass, drinking glasses, serving spoon, serving plate. So all this stuff I put inside this bag. Then for cleaning, so we have garbage bag, dishwashing liquid, soap, sponge, paper towel, and dishcloth. And also I keep here the lighter. Okay, again, if you want to go extra, because I love brewed coffee, so I have my AeroPress and coffee filter. Okay, so next are the food and snacks. Okay, so our go-to food snacks is the Tostitos with dip, pita crackers and cheese. Then I have some extra, what's this, chips. Okay, the rest. And then for our go-to drink, we have a bottle of red wine. Okay. So the rest of the other stuff are still inside the refrigerator, because we're leaving in a few hours, which I will put inside the cooler, like ice, cheese, coffee, etc. Good morning. So this is my air mattress, and then my sarong, my long scarf with Saya sleeping beside me.